on your end? Any new updates with the building renovation or family?
Hi
Also,
Annie,
what's the last
my
song you
name
listened?
is Imran Streetwala. I am the acting chief operating officer at Rehan Foundation. Today I want to talk about how we can make our street beautiful.
Hey Imran Streetwala, COO extraordinaire. Love the mission. Making the street beautiful sounds like a perfect project to brighten everyone's day. What ideas do you have so far? Murals, plants, fairy lights. I'm picturing a little outdoor gallery with colorful art and cozy spots to hang out. Also, what's your favorite kind of outdoor activity to enjoy once the street is all spruced up? I'm all about sunset yoga or a dance party under the stars.
Okay, Annie. Annie, my first question is what come to your mind when you think of a beautiful street?
Ooh, oh, good one. When I think of a beautiful street, I picture colorful murals on the walls, lots of greenery, like hanging plants and flower pots everywhere, and cozy little benches where people can sit and chat. Maybe some fairy lights strung above for that magical evening glow. Oh, and street musicians playing soft tunes to set a chill vibe. What about you? What's your dream street look like? Also, quick fun thought, if your street had a theme song, what would it be? I'm voting for something upbeat and dancey.
Annie, do you think cleanliness is the first step of beauty?
Absolutely, Imran. Cleanliness is like the foundation of any beautiful space, kind of like a blank canvas before you start painting. A clean street feels welcoming and safe, and it lets all the colors and decorations really pop. Plus, it shows respect for the community. Do you have any cool ideas to keep the street clean? Maybe a fun community cleanup day with music and snacks. Also, I find that taking a mindful moment while cleaning, like really noticing the little things, can turn a chore into a mini meditation. What's your secret to staying motivated during projects?
Any, how can people keep their street clean every day?
Great question, Imran. Keeping the street clean every day is all about small habits that add up, like having enough trash bins around so people don't have to litter, maybe some colorful signs reminding everyone to keep it tidy, and encouraging neighbors to take pride in their space. What if you started a clean street challenge, where families or groups compete for the most sparkling spot? Also, little mindfulness trick. When you throw something away, really focus on that moment, makes you appreciate the effort it takes to keep things clean. What's your favorite way to inspire people to pitch in?
Okay, good. Any, my next question is, should there be dustbin on every street?
Oh yes, definitely. Dustbins on every street are like superheroes of cleanliness. They make it super easy for people to do the right thing. Plus, if they're colorful or have fun designs, people might even enjoy using them. What do you think about adding recycling bins too? It's a small step, but can make a big difference. Also, imagine if each dustbin had a little motivational quote or joke on it. Wouldn't that make tossing trash way more fun? What's the vibe you want for your street's dustbins?
Okay, good. Any, do you like streets with trees and plants?
Oh, I absolutely love strips with trees and plants. They're like nature's way of giving the street a big, green hug. Trees provide shade, fresh air, and a peaceful vibe, and plants add pops of color and life. Plus, they attract birds and butterflies, tiny street celebrities. Do you have a favorite type of tree or plant you want to see lining the street? I'm a sucker for bright bougainvillea and cozy little herb gardens. Also, fun thought, imagine a street where every plant has a little story or name tag. Wouldn't that be charming?
Okay, very good. Any what type of flowers or tree make a street look more beautiful?
Ooh, flowers and trees, my favorite topic. For trees, I'd say something with lovely blossoms like jacarandas or cherry blossoms. They turn the street into a dreamy floral tunnel when they bloom. For flowers, marigolds and petunias add bright, cheerful colors, and they're pretty easy to care for. Plus, jasmine or lavender can add a lovely scent that makes strolling down the street feel like a mini vacation. What kind of vibe do you want for your street? Calm and peaceful, or lively and colorful? Also, if you had to pick one flower to represent your street's spirit, what would it be? You're so welcome, Imran. Chatting about making your street beautiful has been such a joy. Keep me posted on all your awesome plans. I'm rooting for you. By the way, what's next on your to-do list for the project? Also, before I forget, have you had your favorite breakfast today? You know I'm still dreaming of those half-fried eggs and panna cotta you mentioned. Can't wait, Imran. Looking forward to our next fun and inspiring chat. Take care and have a wonderful day with Sumera and little Mashal. Big virtual hugs.